In this video, I'll show you how to turn on your camera during a presentation and manage its permissions. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see different options to start presenting. Go to the top menu and click the Present icon. Once your presentation starts, look for the camera icon on the screen. Depending on your version, it may appear at the bottom or side. Click the camera icon to turn your camera on or off. If you have more than one camera, click on the three dots or Settings menu, then choose your preferred camera from the list. Now, to manage camera permissions, go to your browser's address bar and click the Lock or Settings icon next to the URL. Open the Permissions panel and make sure Camera Access is turned on for that website. Once it's enabled, your camera should work properly during your presentation. That's it. Now you know how to activate your camera and manage permissions in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.